Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called a look. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. Now, first, open the terminal, you just type here as a sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type here as net discover minus I is 0. So we would like to identify our target machine is here first. So I have identified my target mission is here. Then later you just type it as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter our targeted IP address. So let's wait for the nmap result. So we have got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with port 80. Now we would like to open the uh, Firefox. Then enter your targeted IP address. So it is in Apache server. We would like to look the passwords. There is nothing else. So we would like to try to close this. Now let's just try to come back here. Let me just type here as clear. Now would like to go here as a directory buster with HTTP. Enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.a50. Then we would like to go here. We have got a info.php. So we would like to try in this a info.php. Let's just try to come back here. Try to paste it. So in the info.php, when you access like any type of info.php, it displays like a loaded PHP modules like configuration option files like allow for all URLs or where your files is stored, which type of services enabled, everything. Now, also we would like to concentrate only on the configurations for Apache to handler. So we have already know in the Nmap result with Apache 2.4.56, it's in the hosted in the Debian. API version, server administrator, webmaster at the rate localhost for the Apache server. User or groups. So we have find a user, a right user, Axel. Now you can go here as we would like to go here as a Hydra minus L. Axel password is user share wordless docu.txt. Then let's just try here as sh 192.168.18.1.50. So it may take more and lengthy time process for uh, cracking this password. So I have done this one already before because it's take more than time accepted of more than 30 minutes. So I can show you here. So the password is a bomb bomb. So you just need to do the same thing here. We have got the username and password. Would like to go back here as such. Axel, enter our target IP address 192.168.18.50. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Then enter your password. Bam bam. That's it. Where we have got it here. Axel. Now let me just type here as clear. You just type plus minus L. A cat a user.txt. We have got the user flag. Now we would like to try here as sudo minus L. Enter the password as bam bam. Sorry, user Axel may not run the sudo unlock. Okay. Now, if it not run on the sudo on the look, what we would like to look here. We would like to look here as ID, host name, uh, user ID with the group IDs with Axel. Now, we would like to try to do any type of environments. Uh, there is Dalian pass equal to, we have got one thing here. Now, uh, how we would like to identify it? We would like to look here, Axel. Apart from that, any other things, nothing else we have here. Let's, we don't need to worry. We would like to look here as PWD. Let's we would like to go to here as cd list minus l. So we have got here list minus l cd dialog permission is denied. Now let's we would like to try here. Let's we would like to let's we would like to try with as env. So we need to know uh, the password of this one Dylan password. So he was written very clearly here. Let's we would like to put here as dollars. Let's just try to paste it. So this is the password, the same thing which he was written. So let's just try to copy. Let me just type here as clear su Dylan password. So we have came to a Dylan now. Now just try plus minus l cd Dylan plus minus l. We not get anything else from here. Now just type here as sudo minus f. It's like user bin Nokogiri. So we prefer not to. So what is this Nokogiri? Let's we would like to go to here as a GTF opens. We would like to try here as a Nokogiri. Just try to copy. We not yet find anything else. So let me just close this Nokogiri. It makes an easy, painless to work with XML and HTML Ruby. It provides a sensible, easy to understand for API reading and writing and modify. So we would like to look in this. So it's like something, a new exploit here we are seeing. Let's just try to accept this. So it worked like DOM pages for XML. So quite interesting here. Let's if you have find any type of bugs or something else, so we would like to utilize this. Uh, let's we would like to try a simple as it is. To go root, we have no password. So if you know have password, you just entirely just try to copy sudo minus u as a root. Then let's just try to paste this. Then let me just put here as a etc as password. Then here you need to write a simple payload like exec. Then let's just try here as a bin bash. Sorry, bin bash minus I. That's it. Where I have successfully came to an root now. Now just look here as we are in the root. Let's we would like to go to here as cd as root list minus a cat a root.txt. That's it. So we have successfully get the root access also. That's it. So you try to run guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.